Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from group 4. In this video, we will explain the material about the operating system and application software. So before we explain the material, let us introduce ourselves first. For the first one, I'm Rindang Cavallera as a moderator. And then there are my partners. The first Abeliya, and then CHRISTINA FEBIOLA SINAGA, and Davit irawan, Muhammad IQBAL, and the last one is REKI PUTRA. Alright, let's start delivering the material. The first material will be delivered by the first speaker.
What is an operating system? An operating system, OS, is a software that acts as interface between computer, hardware component, and the user. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. Applications like browsers, Microsoft Office, Notepad games, etc. need some environment to run and perform its tasks. The US helps you communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. It is not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. History of OS. Operating systems were first developed in the late 1960s to manage tape storage. The General Motors Research Lab implemented the first OS in the early 1950s for their IBM 701. In the mid-1960s, operating systems started to use disk. In the late 1960, the first version of the Unix was developed. The first OS built by Microsoft was DOS. It was built in 1981 by purchasing the DOS software from a Seattle company. The present-day popular OS Windows first came to existence in 1985 when a GUI was created and paired with MS-DOS.
Operating system. Following are the popular type of operating system. 1. Batch operating system. Some computer processes are very lengthy and time-consuming. To speed the some process, a job with a similar type of needs are batched together and run as a group. The user of a batch operating system never directly interacts with the computer. In this type of operating system, every user prefers his or her job on an offline device like a punch card and submit it to the computer operator. 2. Time-sharing operator system. Time-sharing operator system enables people located at a different terminal to use a single computer system at the same time. The processor times CPU, which is shared amongst multiple users, is termed as time sharing. 3. Real-time operating system. A real-time operating system times interval to process and respond to input is very small. Example, military software system, space software system are the real-time operating system example. 4. Distributed operating system. Distributed system use many processes located in different machines to provide very fast computation to its user. 5. Network operating system. Network operating system runs on a server. It provides to the capability to server manage data, user, group, security, application, and other network function. 6. Mobile operating system. Mobile operating system are those operating system which is special at are designed to power smartphone, tablet, and wearables devices. Some most famous mobile operating systems are Android and iOS, but others include BlackBerry, Web, and Watch operating systems.
Operating system. Some typical operating system functions might include managing memory, files, process, I/O system, and Davit security aids. Below are the main functions of operating system. Number 1. Process management. Process management helps us to create and delete process. It also provides smart scanning for synchronization and communication among processes. Number 2. Memory management. Memory management model provides the text of allocation and allocation of memory space to program its net of the resource. Number 3. File management. It manages all the related sorts of organizations, right, file naming, sharing, and processing of file. Number 4. Davit management. Davit management keeps track of all the files. This model also represents for this task is known of other. It also performs the task of allocation and the allocation of the Davits. Number 5. I/O system management. One of the main objects of many also the application of that hardware Davits for the user. Number 6. Security stock management. The system have several levels of stock, which it's called primary stock, secondary stock, and cache stock, and instruction and data must be stored in primary store of the cache of the running program and private its. Number 7. Security. Security model protects its data and the information of a computer system against malware and authorized access. Number 8. Command interpretation. This model is interpreting commands given by the on-acting system resource to process that commands. Number 9. Networking. A distributed system is a group of processors which do not have memory, hardware devices, or a cloud. The processor communicates their network and network. Number 10. Job accounting, keeping track of time and resources used by various job and user. Number 11. Communication management, coordination and assignment of computers, enterprises, and another for software resource of the various users of the computer system.
Features of operating system. Here is a list important features of OS. 1. Protected and supervisor mode. 2. Allow this access and file system device drivers networking security. 3. Program execution. 4. Memory management virtual memory multitasking. 5. Handling I/O operation. 6. Manipulation of the file system. 7. Error detection and handling. 8. Resource allocation. 9. Information and resource protection. Advantage of using operating system. 1. Allows you to hide details of hardware by creating an abstraction. 2. Easy to use with GUI. 3. Offers an environment in which a user may execute programs or applications. 4. The operating system must make sure that the computer system convenient to use. 5. Operating system acts as an intermediary among application and the hardware components. 6. It provides the computer system resource with easy-to-use format. 7. Act as an intermediator between all hardware and software of the system. Disadvantage of using operating system. 1. If any issue occur in OS, you may lose all the content which have been stored in your system. 2. Operating system software is quite expensive for small-size organizations, which add burden on them. For example, is Windows. 3. It is never entirely secure as a threat can occur at any time.
Types of operating system. Operating system usually come preloaded on any computer you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer. but it is possible to upgrade or even change operating system. The three most common operating systems for personal computer are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Modern operating systems use a graphical user interface or GUI, pronounced GUI. A GUI to click icons, buttons, and menus. Everything is clearly displayed on the screen. Use combination of graphic and text. First, Microsoft Windows. Microsoft create the Windows operating system in the mid 1988. There have been many different versions of Windows, but the most recent ones are Windows 7 released in 2015, Windows 8 2012, Windows 7 2009, and Windows Vista 2007. Windows comes preloaded on most new PCs, which help to make it the system in the world. Second, Mac OS. Mac OS, previously called OS X, is a line of the operating system created by Apple. It comes preloaded on all Macintosh computer or Macs. Some of the specific versions include Mojave, released in 2018, High Sierra 2017, and Sierra 2016. Third, Linux. Linux, pronounced Linux, is a family of open source operating systems, which means they can be modified and distributed by anyone around the world. This is different from proprietary software like Windows, which can only be modified by the company that owns it. The advance of Linux are that it's free, and there are many different distribution or versions you can choose from.
Operating system for mobile device. The operating system we've been talking about so far were designed to run on desktop or laptop computers. Mobile devices such as phones, tablet computers, and MP3 players are different from desktop and laptop computers. So they run operating system and are designed specifically for mobile device. Example of mobile operating system include Apple iOS and Google Android. Operating system for mobile device generally aren't as fully featured as those made for desktop and laptop computers, and they aren't able to run all of the same software. However, you can still do a lot of things with them, like watch movies, browse the web, manage your calendar, and play games.
Application software. The Davit software is more often referred to by the software is a collection of some of the commands that are executed by the engine computer in a running world. The Davit software is a record for the engine computer to store commands, as well as documents and archive the other. Application program is a packaged program that's been designed and made specific for certain needs. Number 1. Word processing is from one program application where is in operation use text, basic text. Number 2. Spreadsheet program is from one program application which working for file finance, bookkeeping, or the calculation by automatic. Number 3. CID, computer aided design program, is from one program application which working for media painting, tool painting. Number 4. Program layout article is a one program application which working special for arrange system location object which we should uncover something media print electronic. Number 5. Database program is one program application which working for design or make as well a managed database.
Okay everyone, that's all the delivery of material from our group. We hope you enjoy the video. If there are many mistakes, we apologize. We end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.